Hey, so I wanted to show how I use ChatGPT to redecorate my living room. Right now, it looks pretty cool if I say so myself. The space already has good bones, a good structure, so honestly, the stuff here just complements the space, but previously it didn't look so good. And so, I'm pretty proud of how it turned out. And yeah, I used ChatGPT, plopped in a picture into the system, the ChatGPTs, and then it gave me like a recommendation about of stuff, and then it showed me a picture, and then I just went on Amazon and Wayfair and things like that to find furniture, and yeah, it turned out pretty good. So here I have ChatGPT open, and what I did was I uploaded a picture of my living room, and as you can see, it doesn't look super great, but what you can do is specify things like constraints. In my case, I said I didn't want to get rid of my rug, and then it generated a bunch of, recommendations and stuff like that, and then it was like, hey, do you want a picture? And I said, yeah, show me that picture. And so once I got that picture, I ended up wanting to remove some items in the image itself. And so with ChatGPT, you can go ahead and click on it and then augment it, select some things, and then give it another prompt. And I ended up getting some more recommendations, and then I got an image that was much more nicer and like closer to the living room that I actually wanted. So yeah, after I did that, I then uploaded it into a Google Slides and then put it side by side with like a picture of my original living room and then my dream living room. Here's a montage of my partner and me putting up some stuff. Look at us go, we're so fast. And now we're swapping out some of the legs on the couch to make it look a little bit more fancier. Here's a tree. Here's a mirror. All right, so this is my living room. I'm super stoked with how it turned out. I didn't end up using the couch that I assembled. I slapped it over there. And I ended up changing the rug and just buying some new pillows and a faux plant and a mirror. And everything else has been like repurposed from previously around the house, blah, blah, blah. And I have yet to get some artwork over there. I think once I find something, I can, really pull the space together. But yeah, this is it. I'm super stoked with how it turned out, and I'm no longer embarrassed to invite people over. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'm super happy with how everything turned out, and if you decide to do anything on your own, like redecorating, and you decide to use ChatGPT or what have you, let me know. I'm curious to see how it turns out for you. I plan on doing the same thing to different areas of my house as well to zhuzh it up, because I'm tired of living like a college student. I'm an adult now, and I should really, look like I'm living like an adult, So, yeah. If you like this, feel free to subscribe for more weird videos like this. I mean, it's not so weird, but I'm just going about my life, so, yeah.